airdrop requires you without no investment, and at the end I tell you be able to make something tangible. I kid you not. So if you know if you go to any centralization or centralization, near is actually a coin on its own, which is a token, and I think currently now it's trading at over $2 upward. And now they are building their mobile apps, and they are giving every individual that is able to download it a particular their native token, which is called this one NPRO. NPRO. And this particular NPRO currently is not actually listed, but can only be gotten by staking your near. Yes, that's the only way you can actually get this particular token, which make it very, very rare and very, very scarce. Currently, I can't say the price that this particular token will be actually be listed, but this is an opportunity for you to earn this particular token and also get near for just downloading the near mobile app. I'll be dropping the referral link to download this mobile app in the description of this particular video. So what you need is that you need to download the app, and I'll be showing you a step-by-step in the video on how you'll be able to download, fill it, and start earning ASAP. You can see currently now it is downloading. I'm currently downloading on Play Store, and it's actually 19.64 megabytes, which is actually very low. Let me wait for it to download. Okay, let me tap on open. This is actually open. So this video will teach you a step-by-step guide on how to. So I'm not importing. I don't think I have any near wallet. Let me look, because you remember that we all actually started our hot on this particular hot was built on near protocol. So let me try my hot wallet I actually built. Let me try and import it, and if it is not working, I'll try to create a new wallet, because I think for everyone mining hot then on Telegram, we are actually giving a particular near wallet. Let me start and import, and I'll share with you, because some of you that are watching actually started mining hot on Telegram. So let me quickly try it, and I'll give you feedback now. So I actually tried my my near wallet on odds that I actually did, and it works. Yes. So for you that you were unable to start mining odds, you just have to click on that aspect of create account, and you'll be able to create your account. And don't forget, I'll be dropping my referral link that you'll be able to start. And this is the referral link of the one that actually introduced me to this particular airdrop, but I'll be dropping it so I'll be able to get a welcome bonus. Then we'll tap on continue. Then I'll tap on continue. Wait for it to load. Your referral code will be successfully validated. You can see. Let me tap on continue. It says let me enter the pin. Let me enter pin quickly. So I've actually used a 4-digit pin that I know I could remember. I tap on continue. Yes, this is it now. So let me tap on this particular verified. You can see a lot of people have actually done this particular thing. That is why you don't need to actually waste time. You say first, look at it now. You say first 100,000 NPRO distribution. I've not actually, and look at my leadership point now, 85,000. So I will try to make sure I rank it for me to be able to rank higher. So don't forget, so these are some tasks I need to do to follow them on X. Let me pause this video. So I've actually followed them on X, and you can see now they asked me to put my X account username. I have to put it here. So let me put it there quickly. See, this video is just a details one. Now you can see they have verified me. I'll be getting 5 points. I'll be given 5 points. They say I should quote their post. So if you want to quote, this is how to actually quote. So you just tap on it. You have quoted their post directly. So you go back to the app. So you paste the link of the post you quoted. Let me go. Don't forget, this is the link now. Let me copy it. Then I'll paste it here. Verified. Then I close another point. Then you can see they say I should invite friends. I'll get 10 points. Leave a review. Let me look at where they asked me to actually leave a review. On the app, no, I'm not doing any review for now. You can do it Okay, you can actually do it. So earn near by staking near. I told you that you actually earn this thing by staking your near. That is the only way you can actually get. So this is it. This is what we need to. So currently now I've earned. So I'll be explaining this particular app on how we'll be able to earn more. And if you're able to watch to this particular way, you see we have 23 days left now. So after the 23 days is done, that is all we have for this particular. So don't forget, I'll be dropping my referral link and my referral code in the description of this particular video. And if you haven't followed us, make sure you subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I upload any other video. Thank you and bye bye for now.